Assalamualaikum. How are you? I hope you are fine. Subject Computer Class 3. Topic Introductions to Computers. Chapter number 1. Questions number 1. Filling the blanks. Thought the input device called the dash informations can be fed into a computer keyboard. The output of a computer is displayed on the dash monitor. A computer works by following the dash cycle, IPO cycle. IPO stands for input processing output. Human tends to forget a lot of things, but a computer can remember everything because it has a fast dash memory. A dash can perform hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Supercomputer. Thanks. Have a nice day.